Dito tayo sa BGC High Street. Is Dino Play at the Mind Museum. Ito nga pala guys, yung Dino Park na Mind Museum. Dito tayo sa labas. Mind Museum. Ticketing office. Isa sa mga attraction dito sa Mind Museum, may Dino Play Jeep. Space Adventure. Andrea, come here. Nak, here. Listen, this one. Oh, the old jeep.
Oh, doon pa lang.
Maybe you fall down, anak. Babe, there's a baby beside you. Nak. Careful. There's the attraction here. Attraction dito sa Dino Park Mind Museum. Eggshells ng mga dino po. Roar! Here, anak, oh. Yeah, there's so many park over there. Don't run, don't run. Mind Museum. The Mind Museum, Raya. No, you're not allowed to. Not for free. Go outside. Nawawala pong bata rito. Pakihan. BGC. Daytime. Daytime po daw. Hey guys, BGC daytime. Ladur. Wow, ang ganda naman ng Christmas tree dito. Ha? Saan? Where you go? Punta na siya sa Christmas tree malaki. Oh, let's take a video. Oh. Christmas tree from BGC High Street. Wow, you want photo there, anak? Bye. Woohoo! Let's go! Let's go! Tumatawid na kami dito sa High Street. Let's go!
Daddy, let me down now.
Doon daw, doon.
Let me down, please. Let me down.
Dito kay mami. Follow mami. Akin na yung mabigat na ba? Guys, BGC High Street daytime. BGC High Street, ito na po yung itsura ngayon. Wala mong masyadong tao, nasa probinsya pa silang lahat. Yeah. Tagulan na po ngayon. Careful, slippery. Say hi. Where are you now? You are in BGC High Street. Today is January 2, 2026. I'll go there. Want to picture there? Pupunta raw kami dun sa malaking Christmas tree na puro box. Magpapapicture si Madam. You going to picture, Madam? There, the Christmas tree. Magpapapicture daw si Madam sa Christmas tree na puro box. Oh, yeah, we'll go there. So say hi first. BGC High Street. We'll go there to the box. The box. Yan po siya. Punta siya sa Christmas tree na puro box. Just walk. Here. Ito po yung Christmas tree dito sa BGC na puro box. January 2, 2020. Here anak, BGC High Street. Here. Careful, slowly, madulas. Dito. Dito, ang ganda ng liwanag, oh. Ano mo, ang liwanag, oh. Yan, just walk slowly. Alright. Up, look at me. Say hi to your audience. Scooter in the BGC. Don't go there. Here. Maganda dito pala pumunta pagtapos na yung bakasyon. Walang katao-tao. Where you go? You're not allowed there. Just about. Wow, it's beautiful. No, it's not allowed. Not of the BGC. Yung itsura niya. Ito po yung itsura ng BGC High Street. Yeah, but you're slowly. It's very slippery. Slowly, slippery. Oh, punta ka dyan sa Avatar. Diyan, Avatar. Oh. Go na. Doon na sa fountain, anak. Doon sa fountain. Yeah. Water fountain. The stone water fountain. Doon. Near. More. But near to the water fountain. Near, more, little bit more. Alright. Dito na, accent. No, don't go there. The Christmas tree. The big Christmas tree here. Just in the center. At nagugutom na kami. Kakain muna kami. Dahil gutom na daw ang aming madam. Madam, say hi to your fans. Alright. Check. Bonchon. Sa bonchon na po kami papakainin. Diyos mio. Bagsak namin sa bonchon. Bonchon tayo, bonchon. Gonna eat a bonchon. Pila kami sa bonchon. Andrea. Nandito po kami sa bonchon. What is this? Ano nga itong order natin? Seafood bowl. Sizzling seafood bowl with japchae, corn, mushroom, grated carrots, chicken, and some vegetables. Cheesy bukbuki. And you are Israelites. chicken levantine with hummus and another side dish. Let's chow chow. Say hi, anak.
Hi.
Let's eat. Alright, chicken levantine.
Ganun. Pero pag siya yung kinakausap,
Hindi nagsasalita.